I just completed a webpage and video series on the Greek minuscule script found in medieval documents dating from about AD 850 to 1850. I realized that some of my readers and viewers might wish to examine primary manuscripts for yourselves. Fortunately, the British Library's Digitised collection allows you to do just that from your own computer, up close, and for free. And their collection isn't limited to Greek texts either. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic features of their manuscript viewer. I'll also offer some tips to help you get the most out of your copy practice if you're learning these scripts as part of your language or calligraphy studies. If you've had enough of me and just want to browse a collection and jump into viewing manuscripts, here's the web address. I'll also put it down in the info bar below. When you visit their page, you can browse manuscripts or search for a specific document. Once you've clicked on a manuscript in its profile page, you'll get a new tab with the manuscript viewer. The top shows the manuscript title and content description. A few key things to look for here are the original author, the work, the year or date range, and the manuscript number. Below that, the main body of the page is taken up by the viewer. You'll see some handy controls on the upper right above the image and on the upper left of the image itself. The controls on the left allow you to zoom in and out, reset your view, view full screen, or toggle show or hide controls. The drop-down lists and arrows on the top right help you navigate through the entire manuscript. The select list next to View lets you choose between viewing a single page, Open Book View with even pages on the left and odd pages on the right, or Folio View with odd pages on the left and even pages on the right. Finally, you'll need a bit more knowledge to navigate using page numbers. Lowercase f stands for folio, R means recto, or the front of a page, V is verso, or the back of a page. Each page number then refers to a whole leaf, not just to one side of a sheet. Also notice the British Library copyright on the bottom of the image. Although the text of these manuscripts may be in the public domain, the images themselves may have a different status. Well, that's good to get you started. I hope you have fun as you read into the past and explore some amazing manuscript treasures. Some helpful tips. If you will be doing copy practice in order to learn to write in these hands, I have a few hard-won recommendations from my many hours of practice. Write in a well-lit area. Adopt good posture. Relax your eyes every once in a while. Copying can be strenuous, especially when you're new and paying close attention to small details. Zoom in on the text to see clearly. This allows you to distinguish writing strokes and lifts of the pen. Move from the basic to the tough. Start with clear, legible hands rather than challenging examples. For example, for students of the Greek minuscule hands, I recommend learning the standard printed minuscule characters, then neat medieval minuscule documents before you tackle examples like this. Look for words you recognize. It's like decoding a puzzle. You start with known values rather than the unknown. Work with physical copies whenever possible. This will go further in protecting your eyes, since you may find yourself staring at a computer screen for hours on end to imitate even brief texts in finer hands. Of course, avoid doing anything that will violate fair use. Finally, enjoy your pursuit as you participate in a long history of scribal tradition. This is a wonderful and direct way to learn some visually stunning scripts. As always, thanks for taking the time to learn with me.